This is my graph. These are the key features of this graph here. So the green points right here and right here are the x and y intercept. This is the x-intercept at 3, 0, and this is the y-intercept at 0, 3/4. This black dot here is where the hole would be. The hole is at x equals -3. The purple lines that come across here are the vertical and horizontal asymptotes. So this is the vertical one, that's the horizontal one. The end behavior for this graph is when y goes to infinity, x gets closer and closer to 4 but never reaches it, and when y goes to negative infinity, it gets closer and closer to x equals 4 but never reaches it, and then when x goes to negative infinity, y gets closer and closer to 1 but never reaches it, and when x goes to positive infinity, y still gets closer and closer to 1 but never reaches it. The reason that asymptotes occur in these graphs is because when you plug in the x values, the graph, like the way that the x value works out, when you add them all up, it won't actually get to 4 or 1. The x values, they won't ever reach. You can get as close as you want to 4, but they'll never reach 4. There will never be like a value that ever equals 4 that you can use as an x value.